Hello everyone, my name is Oliver from Lux Trading, and today we're going to be talking about risk management. Risk management must be a core part of any trading strategy. Protecting the money you made is the way to make consistent profit and ensure a long-term success of your account. Well, if you make 1000% today, but you lose 80% of it tomorrow, you're not going to be a successful trader for very long. Trading without risk management is like jumping out of an airplane without a second parachute. I mean, what happens if the first one doesn't open? So, the first tip for better risk management is to plan your trades. As a Chinese military general, Sun Tzu, famously said, "Every battle is won before it's fought." This phrase implies that planning a strategy, not the battles, wins wars. Similarly, successful traders commonly quote the phrase, "Plan the trade and trade the plan." Just like in war, planning ahead can mean the difference between a successful and a losing trade. First, make sure your broker is right for the type of trading that you're gonna do. Some brokers trade to customers who trade infrequently, others otherwise. So make sure you're prepared for the kind of trading you want to do, that you're working with the right kind of firms, and that will be a great start. Number two is consider the 1% rule. A lot of day traders follow what's called the 1% rule. Basically, this rule of thumb suggests that you should never put more than 1% of your capital at risk. So, for example, if you have $10,000 in your account, following this rule, your position in any given instrument shouldn't be more than 100. This strategy is common for traders who trade their own accounts and have accounts of under $100,000. Some even go as high as 2%. But as with us traders trade much higher account sizes, we recommend keeping the percentage of your risk much lower. Also, when you trade for investors, it's best to count your risk from the remaining risk capital and not from the whole account. Number three would be minimizing losses. Position sizes is a critical component of your risk management. By using it correctly, you can avoid large drawdowns while maintaining your profits. A 1% or a 2% drawdown is pretty easy to recover from with a profitable trading strategy. But the bigger the drawdown is, the more challenging it is to bounce back. Therefore, you need to keep your losses to a minimum. If you lose 10% of your capital, you already need 11.5 to get back. But if you lose 50%, or if you get into a 50% drawdown from your risk capital, you need to double your money now just to get back even. So make sure that you're using appropriate contract sizes. A simple rule of thumb is that in this case, sometimes less is more, and make sure that you scale them to your account size. In addition to limiting your position size, one way to avoid losses is to place a stop loss order on every single trade. Now, with Lux Trading, that is mandatory for all of our trades, as the stop loss will be executed once you hit the level where you want to limit and cut your losses, and those can prevent you from huge mistakes or sudden swings in price. In addition to using static stop losses, you can also use trailing stops. Now, this is essentially a stop loss that follows your profits, but it stays put when the price starts to come down. It also works vice versa in a short position. So a trailing stop will allow you to lock in profits by protecting you against a sudden swing price back or a significant move against your position. So let's summarize the 3 quick tips. Firstly, make sure that you plan your trades and then you have well-working strategy. Secondly, consider the 1% rule, or let's call it maybe even a 0.5% or a 1/4% rule, and use the tips I mentioned in this video to minimize your losses. That's it from me for today. Thank you for watching this quick video. I hope you've learned a tip or two about your risk management. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you want to learn more about Lux Trading, feel free to reach out to us on our 24/7 live chat or send us an email at info@luxtradingfirm.com. My name has been Oliver. Thank you for watching and have a great one.